But why do birds preen? Some birds bathe for almost the same reasons like man, for removing dirt, dust and mites. Preening involves the use of bill and claws. This green shank is extensively stretching its feathers and putting each one in proper alignment. You might have come across birds preening each other, especially during the breeding season. This is an important part of courtship. It is said to strengthen the bond between the pair and is very like petting in humans. For birds, feathers help in flying, keeping dry and for insulation. They must maintain their feathers in top condition. This tiny bird uses natural oils produced by the preen gland and spreads it all over its feathers. Avian preening is nothing but feather maintenance.